Happy Vlogmas Day 25. Merry Christmas. I just put the biscuits and gravy casserole in the oven, so that is cooking, and then I'm gonna go shower and get ready for today. I'm very tired. It is 7:46. Yeah, I need to go shower because I look like a hot mess. Okay guys, the biscuit and gravy casserole is done, ready to go. Kitchen is a mess, but oh well. James is wrapping Christmas presents because that's just how we roll, last minute. And he does all the wrapping because I hate wrapping presents. So people who get presents from me get like it in a bag. Sometimes they don't even get it wrapped. But it's the thought that counts, not the wrapping paper and whatever. So I won't be filming our family Christmas stuff, but I'll film when we get home. And I'm hoping that we can do some fun Christmassy things today, or just take a nap. Mainly take a nap. That's really all I want out of life, is just to take a nap. I'm looking kind of crazy. My hair's like whatever. It is what it is. At this point, I don't care. Yeah. That's pretty much all that's going on around here. Right, babe?
Yep.
So, it is a long time later. Right?
Right. Did you show what you got for Christmas?
No, I haven't shown them anything since we've been home. So, don't mind the hair. Had a nice Christmas nap. It was great. This one just played video games. So, I'm really tired. We ordered some food because we just can't with the adult life, and we didn't get anything at the grocery store yesterday. So we're gonna have to do our grocery shopping tomorrow, so that's fun. But the Japanese place next to our apartment is open today, so we got some chicken and rice, which honestly I'm totally fine with because I love their food and I could eat there every day. So we're waiting on that. It's gonna be like 20 minutes or something, so we can go walk to go get that, and then we need to clean up the apartment. Well, mainly just the living room, because everything else, like, we just don't have time for today. We can't. But we have to pick up the living room, this area, because Katie's coming over to spend the night and she needs a place to sleep, obviously. So we have to clean off the couch so that way she'll have a place to sleep, and I have to edit my vlog and my video for tomorrow. But I did get some Christmas presents, even though we weren't supposed to do Christmas presents. Yeah, I'm looking at you, James.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So, like a big loser face, I didn't get James anything for Christmas because I thought we weren't exchanging gifts.
We weren't.
And yet somehow I got gifts.
We didn't exchange gifts. I bought you gifts.
Are you gonna tell me that Santa brought them?
Maybe.
No.
That's why they weren't here. We don't have a chimney.
No.
We
So
don't have a chimney at Christmas.
So I'll show you guys. James really wanted me to like open them on vlog, but he didn't tell me that I had any presents waiting.
Because that would ruin the surprise.
It's really dark.
And I'm not about ruining surprises for Sophie.
So I didn't know that we had gifts, and he didn't tell me, and so I didn't get it on vlog because I didn't take my camera, because he didn't like make a big deal about me bringing the camera, so I didn't know. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got this cute little mug that says, oops, oh the humanity, because manatees are my favorite animals, and I really like mugs. If you've not seen my mug collection, I'll show you. But basically it doesn't say anything until you put like hot liquid in there, and then it like pops up and says, oh the humanity. Thought that was really cute. So then, you guys wouldn't know this, but I have a thing for dinosaurs. I'm kind of obsessed. And when I was little, I had a ton of little dinosaurs. And so James bought me a box of these little dinosaurs. So that will be fun to like figure out where I'm gonna put them. I'm gonna put them somewhere in my office, but obviously like that's not set up yet. So, and then the last thing James got me was this little dino fossil dig kit, because I obviously really have a thing for dinosaurs, and I like that song, I'm a paleontologist, so now I can be a real paleontologist. Yeah. And then from his parents, I got this, but this is just a placeholder because my gift apparently isn't here yet. So they got me this blanket that like has little like, it looks like a dog. Not the blanket doesn't look like a dog, but has like dog stuff on it, is what I'm trying to say. So, that's what I got for Christmas. But like I said, I still have a gift coming, and then we haven't done family Christmas with like my mom and dad and my sister. So next week when we go to Disney and meet up with them, we will get our presents. And then also Katie is bringing my Christmas present, and I feel really bad because I haven't gotten hers yet, because I normally get it at Disney and we're not at Disney right now. So like she knows that I didn't get her present yet, and she's like totally fine with it, but she really wanted to give me my gift today. So I'll get another present when she gets here later. So yeah, that's what I got for Christmas, and like a big fat fail, I didn't get James anything. So worst best friend for life award goes to me.
You can't be so hard on yourself.
Do you guys think I should be hard on myself? Yes, I should have known better. I should have known he was gonna pull this, and I should have been prepared. I also, oh Dixie, are you okay? You okay? I also didn't get Dixie anything for Christmas. I meant to, but I kind of, like, Christmas just came like out of nowhere this year, which is funny because it comes on the same day every year, but like I really just have no idea where the past 25 days have gone. Dixie, are you having a good Christmas? Yeah? I love you. So, yes, I fail at Christmas time, but oh well. Well, we've cleaned off the couch at least. We still have some things on the floor that we need to get. It's a mess. It is a mess. Also, Dixie is using the cup holder as a way to hold on to her rawhide. That's kind of funny, actually. So, we got our food. We got our food, so I'm going to show you guys that. I'm really excited because I'm really hungry. Give me my food.
Very rude.
Please. So we have, oh, I forgot to get spoons.
That's okay, we can just look.
We have some soup.
We have
some mushroom soup. We have some, I don't even know how they said this, but we say it goiza, but they say it like,
it depends. Some people say it like with the silent G, and some people really emphasize the G, so I don't really know.
goiza, is that how they said it?
I think it's mioiza.
I don't know. Anyway, like the fried dumplings, that's what it is. And you want to open one of those so I can show them, and then we can eat. I'm so hungry. And then we got teriyaki chicken, vegetables, and rice. So excited. Okay guys, so we're getting ready for 12 days. We were behind. We had to like put 12 days on pause. So if you've noticed in the vlogs, we haven't been doing it. That's why we had to put it on pause, because all the family couldn't do it, and like it's complicated. But we're doing it tonight. My grandma's not doing it because she's actually with my uncle right now, so she's not even home. But she was like, just do it without me today, so we're doing it without her. So I'm getting ready to call my family so we can do 12 days. I don't even know what day we're on, to be honest. I think we're on day 4. I think. So, anyway, here we go.
I got a Sonic gift card. This is my...
Second? Yeah, just your second. Your third.
Go, baby. I don't want you guys to have to spend any money on food.
Watch this be Chick-fil-A on the left. Yep.
See, I figured since he eats at Sonic more, you would have given him Sonic. I was trying to encourage him to do something outside the box.
Thank you.
I'm just kidding. I now have $20 in Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah, that's like 3 meals.
It's English decaffeinated. Perfect.
Sorry, babe.
Anyway, for decaffeinated. I got my knives.
Solid air regular.
They're the Mary Mix.
Mary Mix. Melvin said they taste just like the regular ones.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe.
No, they have a holiday punch flavor in them.
No, do not eat the
See,
paper.
there's lime, cherry, and holiday punch.
Hey, look. I wonder
No, it's
what...
a sponge sauce before.
This is how...
100 years later. Like, you know, the, like,
Ironically enough, I just gave that to
Yeah, that's gonna be in your vlog.
I got a
No,
candle.
that's not what she said.
Okay, Mom.
Alright.
What's yours?
oh, guys, on the vlog. Not you guys. Today's my dad's birthday.
Yeah, the recyclable. If that's true, I'm gonna laugh.
I think it's clothesline.
Here's the
Oh,
birthday
nice. That's
card.
perfect. That's what everybody
Here
needs.
it goes.
No, it's from Dixie.
Still gross.
That's it. Now he has 2 things with scissors.
I was planning on getting you something at Disney. We're just not at Disney. We're just, unfortunately. Oh, are we vlogging this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yay!
Opening my Christmas present. Katie made it, and so like I don't care if she doesn't want to be on vlog. Whatever.
That's fine.
She
It's
just
whatever.
has-
Oh, and we're matching because we both have Christmas
we
Darth
are matching.
Vader.
So I have a Christmas Darth Vader, and she has a
I
Christmas
do, and
Darth
life
Vader.
is just so good.
And we didn't even
plan it. It's just the
we
mind
didn't
meld.
plan it, and so she walked in. I was like, "We match!" It was really funny. Okay, back to opening this present. It's a box.
I know that you love boxes, so I get them for
Just
you.
what
every
I
year.
need with moving.
Oh, she walks in, just saw all those boxes. She's like, Rachel loves boxes.
I know
Okay.
it.
Magical. Okay, if I can get it out. Look, I can get it out. It's a magical thing with our pictures.
Whoa.
And now I can hang it in the new apartment. Oh.
Well, you know, we were talking about pictures and everything because I was like going crazy hanging up pictures everywhere. And I was, and you know, I told you I wanted to do like us on New Year's.
Yeah.
And so I framed my copies of these pictures, but I was like, I'm going to give them to Rachel, but I don't want to have to be like, here's all these pictures, buy frames for them, you know, have fun. So I went on Shutterfly and had them like print them. And some of these are not us technically on New Year's because there were 2 years where we weren't
Because
actually.
I got married.
Yes. And then the next year we were like at Disney early on. We didn't actually go.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like it was. I think it was like 2014 and 2015 where we didn't do New Year's together because you were traveling and doing other things.
That's right.
So I got but we were hanging out in December both those years. So I got, but the rest of them are New Year's.
So it's technically not Christmas anymore, but I forgot to end the vlog last night. So we're ending it now.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's so sleepy.
Alright, so that's a wrap on Vlogmas Day, or not day, Vlogmas 2018. I might vlog here and there, definitely on the Disney trip, but I am going to relax because I've been putting up videos every day for the past 25 days and it's exhausting.
Yep.
So, alright, well that's a wrap on Vlogmas 2018. See you guys in my next video.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas again.
Yay, it's a manatee hoodie.
Whoa, it's a manatee.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Manatee.